Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Prius side mirror. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a 10mm socket with a ratchet, and a plastic trim removal tool. Make sure you have your new side mirror ready. It's a good idea to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself during the process. This guide will help you complete the replacement efficiently. To begin, you'll need to access the mirror's mounting bolts by removing the interior door panel. Start by gently prying off the small trim piece behind the door handle and the trim around the window switch. Next, locate and remove the 1 or 2 Phillips head screws that secure the panel. Then, use your trim tool to carefully release the plastic clips around the panel's perimeter. Finally, lift the panel up and disconnect any electrical connectors. With the door panel removed, you can now access the mirror's attachment points. First, gently pry off the small triangular sail panel located at the corner of the door near the mirror. Next, disconnect the electrical wiring harness that connects to the mirror. Then, use your 10mm socket to remove the 3 bolts or nuts holding the mirror assembly in place. Carefully take the old mirror off the door, being mindful of your vehicle's paint. Now it's time to install your new mirror. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door and secure it with the 3 10mm bolts, tightening them firmly. Reconnect the electrical wiring harness to ensure all mirror functions work. Align the door panel clips and press it firmly into place until it clicks. Reinstall all screws and trim pieces. Finally, test the new mirror's adjustments and any heating features to confirm proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.